Hello, Chioma. Chioma, I told you that I'm not a rich man, and you said it's not a problem.
You go the trust woman.
What is happening now?
Chicago University.
Oh, I can't afford pampers.
Osondu.
But Chioma, that will never be a problem. We can start with napkin. You know all these small pieces that they cut. They cut small. We can just use it and start with that. You know, tie it around their waist.
This man!
Because even this pampers is not even good though. Pampers is not good. Because when you're using pampers, you're only pampering their bad character. Yes.
You think say they're wise? You are a mumu man!
Eh? Okay, napkin is not also good. Why? Oh, because when you're using napkin, you will use it to tie their destiny. Chioma.